So I got some new keycaps for my Ducky One mini keyboard, made by a Taiwanese company called Tai Hao. I ordered them from a company called Douyi Studio, which is also in Taiwan. The first set is called Hawaii, and is a full 104 cap set, so it'll fit a full-size keyboard, but I'm only using part of this set on my 60% keyboard. It came with a plastic ring keycap puller, which is nice, but I'll be using my Ducky wire keycap pullers because I feel like they have a better purchase on the caps. This set is a PBT double shot set, as you can see, and for some reason Tai Hao prints on the box that they are for professional gamer. I'm not sure how much the keycaps affect gaming, but as you can see, it's part of their marketing. All the larger sized keycaps came in a separate plastic bag. Spacebar, caps lock, tab, return, etc. For some reason, they're all packaged separately. I've never swapped keycaps before, so I didn't really know how to go about it, but I thought a good first step would be to arrange all the keycaps so I could read what they were. While doing so, I realized that Tai Hao had included a couple special keycaps. One of these is what looks like an escape or function key, but has a Tai Hao logo on it. The second specialty cap is what I'm assuming to be the company name and the year 1962, which was when the company was established. That key might substitute for a control, possibly an alt, or maybe the Windows key, but I haven't tried it. I had originally ordered these keycaps from mechanicalkeyboards.com, but they were out of stock for so long that I canceled my order and tried to find another company that might have them sooner. Even though Douyi Studio had them in stock on the website, they didn't ship right away as Douyi was still waiting for Tai Hao to ship to them. I waited about 2 weeks, but finally got 2 sets of keycaps. Tai Hao makes other computer input products or peripherals such as mice, card readers, fingerprint scanners, and keyboards, among other things, which is interesting because they started out making PVC piping. I had a lot of fun pulling the old keycaps and adding these new ones, so I'll let you watch that process. I think it looks pretty nice, and it wasn't too hard to swap. It only took about 15 minutes to figure it out. I haven't had a problem with any of the keycaps except for the left shift key sticks a little bit sometimes, but I'm sure it'll wear in and stop sticking. Also, as you can see, one of the control keys was slightly cracked, but it doesn't affect the fit or function of that key. Well, thanks for watching this video, and look out for another one coming soon featuring the other set of keycaps I bought. If you'd like to see that, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification icon. Let me know what you thought of this set in the comments section.